So once she's all warmed up, which is right now, we can take this F12 out and check out the 812 Superfast spec'd as the launch car. It is matte painted from the factory. What is up, guys? Welcome CJ's Vlogs. Let's go. There she is. There it is. Let's check it out now. Just drop this window. Grigio Superfast Opaco. Wow, that's absolutely beautiful. But we're gonna get an up close look in a bit. V12, still so good. I'd say we give some love to this F12 as well. Finished in Rosso Mugello, narrow interior, red stitching, gloss black calipers, and a V12. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Wow, this car looks absolutely incredible. Superfast, Grigio Superfast matte, Sabia interior, all the dashboard carbon, aluminium rev counter, charcoal inserts, stitching, absolutely beautiful. Let's actually get it in the sun, then we can have a little closer peek at what it's like. This car is classy. Wow. So the story behind this car is that the client actually saw the car at Geneva Motor Show. At Geneva there was two launch cars. There was Rosso Centanta, which is Rosso 70th, that was for the 70th anniversary, and there was this, which is Grigio Superfast Opaco. So this car is in that launch spec, and I think it is absolutely incredible. Look how well the charcoal stitching sticks out from the narrow leather, and then the seats, Sabia with charcoal, proper combination. This car deserves one of these though. This looks absolutely incredible. Now, there's something that is happening in person that you will not be able to see in the video or in pictures, is how tiny this paint makes this car look. Now the 812, let's face it, is not a small car to begin with. Front engine V12, 6.5 litre, 800 horsepower. Now, it's not a small car to begin with, so what happens is, in our country, in South Africa, we've got some Bianco Avus 812 Superfast, which are white, and then we've got a narrow Daytona car here as well, which is black. And the difference between how your perception of the car is between those two colors is, you know, the white 812s look much larger, although you get to see the carbon on the car come out more, whereas with the black cars, you know, the carbon almost falls into the paint. But this car, wow, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. So now we're gonna actually put it next to a 488 Pista, which is that not just your perfect two-car Ferrari garage. Mid-engine, special edition, V8, hardcore, and the ultimate rocket GT 812 Superfast. Wow.